Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Just recording. Well, now it begins to rain because there's a tornado gonna appear right far away in there, in that direction. It's not gonna be near, but I just thought I would record. And also, Uncle William said that we are going to also have a dust storm. And then I saw a warning on my phone that says there's going to be a flash flood. Right, Mom? Anyways, what do you want to say to the viewers? My mom actually does not know how to introduce herself in YouTube videos. Alright. Uncle William? Uncle William? Remember when you said that there was going to be a dust storm? Uncle William? Hold on. 1 sec. William? Oh, you're going to get the dogs? Remember when you said there was a dust storm? Is this it? Oh, so that's that going away? Wow. Alright, tornado's gonna happen and a flash flood. This is gonna be the end of the video. By the time you might be watching this, the storm might already pass over, but, just gonna let you know, be sure to leave a like subscribe on the video, help support the channel, and click the notification bell to never miss another video. That is if I start getting into this YouTube stuff. And you can always unsubscribe whenever you want. Alright? Yeah. But again, please do subscribe. It helps support the channel a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully later. Bye.